What is going on, Draw2 crew? Ramny here with a brand new drawing tutorial for you guys, and this is a series of tutorials that I've actually been wanting to do for a while because this cartoon right here is one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to draw Stan and Kyle from South Park in this tutorial. Yeah, it's fairly easy to draw these guys. That's why I'm going to draw two of them in one sitting with no intro. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first we're going to draw Stan. Fairly easy. This is one of those things where you kind of need to learn how to draw circles. So if you can't draw a circle just yet, you can do one of two things. You can practice, or you can just take something that is round somewhere around you, like tape or something like that, or a mug, and just trace it. And for me, I've done enough circles, so I can kind of do this with just looking. And this is something that I've practiced for a while, so you know, there you go. So there's that circle right there. If you guys are having a hard time, feel free to pause this video and you know, draw the circle and then get back to this video. Okay, so there's the circle right there. What I'm going to do is kind of draw Stan's hat now. In Canada, where I'm from, we call this a toque or bonnet. Okay, two lines going across over here. See a little bit of a lip kind of sticking out just like that. Let me zoom in, you guys, so you can see a little bit better. Okay, he's got a little pom-pom right here, like so. We're gonna leave it blank for now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the body, and it's gonna start here and here, and it's just going to come out like this. Okay, so the distance from here to here is pretty much the same as this. So just like that, that's all Stan is going to be. Like so. You don't want him any wider. Actually, if you kind of draw his hands, drawing his arms here and his hands, it should be about the width of his head. Okay, so before we do anything, I'm going to draw a line going down the center here so that we know what the center line is and we know how to make things symmetrical. Okay, we're going to draw the shoes at the bottom. The shoes are going to be wide and they just pretty much look like this. Okay, one side there, other side like this, like so. Okay, pants are not too, they're not too long. So the pants kind of rounded like this over here. Okay, and then where this meets, I'm going to draw two circles. One circle and then the second circle right here. That's the thumb. Okay, and I'm going to do the exact same over on this side. And another circle right there. There you go. And then from here, you want to bring that up towards the head, like that and like that. So now we have the body right there. Okay, I'm going to draw a little V at the chin, and then another. It sort of goes like this, and that's going to be like the collar part of his jacket. And this is going to go all the way to the shoulder right there, and then same thing on the other side. So let me just fix it so it kind of looks a little bit more symmetrical. There you go. There you go. Okay, straight line. I'm going to double it up, so it's going to look like a line like that, and then 1, 2, 3 dots. All right, now I'm going to straighten these. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to draw the face, and the face is kind of where it makes or breaks the character or the look of the character. So I'm going to start off by drawing the mouth, and the mouth is going to come right here, and it's going to make like this triangle that looks like that, and that's their smile. Okay, and then line across, and then 4 teeth that look like this. Okay, the teeth are a little bit they're not straight. There you go. Okay, and then the last thing what you want to do is you want to draw some eggs, but the eggs are kind of like leaning against each other like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, you don't want to draw this too far or too close to this, so you want to give it a little bit of distance. The top of it is going to be right against the rim of the hat there. And then what you want to do is you just want to shape that so that it looks nice and eggy shaped. Not too long, not too flat, not too narrow. So I'm just going to keep adjusting it until I get the right roundness and right curve. Okay, like so, and then the other side. You want to do something similar. You want to make it symmetrical. There you go. So just keep working at it until you get the right shape and the right lean, and making sure that it is symmetrical to this one on the left side. I think that's okay. And then 1, 2. There we go. And that's it. Super easy tutorial for today. Oh yeah, we're not quite done. Let's do the pom-pom. And the pom-pom consists of just like a whole bunch of these lines. And I'm going to start off drawing this across like that. And then like that. So it sort of makes this cross shape or an X shape. And then I'm just going to keep going from that X. Find the center like that. Just readjusting a little bit. This goes like this, and then you just keep filling it up until you fill up all of it. And making sure that you're getting this round shape. There you go. So there is Stan Marsh, one of the 4 main South Park characters. And there you have it. All right, so let's cut to commercial. Let's draw Kyle right beside him, okay? Hey guys, this video right here is brought to you by these awesome Patreon patrons. If you are interested in knowing more about how to support this channel through Patreon, check out the link down below, patreon.com/drawit2 for more details. Anyway, let's cut to commercial and then let's get back to business. All right, you guys, we drew Stan. Now let's go ahead and draw Kyle. So the first thing I'm going to do is something similar. I'm going to draw a round circle for the head. And again, like I mentioned with Stan, getting this perfect is a bit of a challenge. It's one of those skills that you can only develop by practicing a lot, okay? So I know a lot of people ask me, like, can you do a tutorial on a circle? Thing is, do you know how to draw a circle? It's just a matter of practicing until that circle can, until you can do it freehand. So drawing it freehand isn't a thing that you learn by watching a video. It's something that you learn by really doing it, right? Okay, so there's that right there. So now what I'm going to do is something similar. I'm going to draw the hat around the same location as Stan right there. So that goes across. Okay, it's going to look a little bit different though, because this is going to have ear flaps. And I do apologize. Did you guys hear that loud motorcycle that just went through? I do have a window like right there to the street, and sometimes the motorcycles like to speed in the streets here. Anyway, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to draw the body like I did with Stan. There you go, a little bit wider. Again, if I draw a line going down from the head, I shouldn't go too far from those lines. Okay, and then very similar. Okay, so center line going down like this, like so. The feet are just those flat. like that. And then this one goes a little bit lower actually than Stan's jacket. So the pants section is going to be pretty thin. Okay, so it's curved like that and like that. Right above it, I'm going to draw the glove and glove again on the side. Okay, and then circles for the thumbs. 1, 2. Collar is going to go like this. Actually, before I do the collars, I forgot. Let's draw the arms going up. There you go, and there you go. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this and this line, and then I'm gonna find another line that goes up, but not too far up, like that, and like this. Okay, so not too far up. Okay, there's the collar. I wanted it to go all the way to the shoulder part. Okay, and then the same thing on this side. Collar goes down to there. Line, thick line going down the middle. This one was a little bit off from the middle, but this one is straight down. And then I'm going to draw 2 rectangles, one here and another one similarly on this side. Okay, and then a triangle at the top. Cool. Okay, so now we're ready to draw the hat part. And the hat, first things first, I'm going to draw the straight line that goes across his head, and he sort of goes from here to here. Okay, and then near kind of where it hits this corner and that corner, I'm going to draw lines going down here and here. All right. Okay, so now what's going to happen is this needs to go up, this needs to go up, like that and like that. Hopefully this width right here should be similar to this width. So adjust if necessary. Okay, and then from here I'm going to draw a line going across. So it's starting to look kind of like a rectangle here at the top. But of course, what we're going to do is we're going to curve right here and curve right here. So he's got those that distinct hat that he wears. There you go. So you might need to bring it down a little bit lower. So just keep adjusting it until you get the right shape. You want to make sure you get these curves symmetrical here and here. Okay, and then lastly, what you want to do is you want to draw a bunch of ovals from here going out to about here. So that's a good length. So if you draw a line going across, you'll see where it is on the other side here. So think of it as like a big grain of rice. So that's where you're drawing a big grain of oval rice here and here. Okay. Erase, 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 so that you're left with this shape here in the front. I want to keep that where it is. And erase the side here and erase the side. And then you're left with Kyle's hat. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is draw the mouth like I did with Stan here. So I'm going to start with here, this line at the bottom, and just 2 lines going up and making a triangle similar to Stan's. Okay, line going across and then cut into 4 to make some teeth. Shade in the bottom. Right, and then the last thing is the eyes. And again, just like we did the Stan, the top should touch the brim, and then the bottom should be like right around here. You want to tilt it and get that nice egg shape. Okay, and just keep working at it until you get something that resembles Kyle. So just keep working at it until you get it right. You guys see that I'm erasing a lot, and it's not because, you know, I'm messing up here, but it's just you keep drawing lines until you get something that's looking right. And I think that was right, so I'm going to draw 2 dots here and here. And there you have Kyle. I'm just going to round off his head a little bit better. And there you go. So there's Stan. I think I may have made his eyes a little bit too long. So I'm going to fix that. So you guys, there you go. There is Stan and Kyle from South Park. Pretty simple tutorials, very simple designs. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned because I will be drawing the other 2 main characters from South Park in the next video. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care. And you guys, that is all the time that we have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in all the way to the very end. I appreciate that a lot. If you guys are proud of your drawings, I would love to see them. So head on over to Instagram, tag me at Draw2 so I can see your masterpieces. If you guys are ever curious about the tools that I use for drawing or the equipment that I use to make these videos, I have links in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check that out. If you are feeling extra generous, I have links down in the description as well for different ways that you can show your support on this channel. I already mentioned Patreon, but there are other ways as well, so be sure to check those out. Links in the description. Your contributions go a long way in ensuring that I can continue making videos just like this for you guys to enjoy free of charge. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video right here, comment down below, and share this with your friends in your social media. And speaking of social media, don't forget you guys can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on my website, draw2.com, where you can find a free coloring page based on the tutorial drawing that is found in this video. Again, you guys, all of the links to those are found in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. Finally, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more so you can learn to draw it too. I'll see you guys next time.